Hello, everyone. First, our project name is Global Climate Data Analysis. I'm going to explain you what we are and what we are going to do with this project. So first, start with the team. So I remember the other day before the pandemic started, I was having conversation with my friends and colleagues here about there are various different companies around the world, mainly in France, that who provide the satellite imagery data based for the main applications of climate change. But there is no a singular platform who can give the data access very easily. So I and my friends started brainstorming for a long time, and then we thought of coming with a solution, but not just a solution of building a collaborative platform, but bringing all and adding some our additional values plus more features to the program and the web application. So this is our web application which we are going to do. So what the main concerns we found were this the data before the different organizations and the private organizations, NGOs or government authorities, they had a data, satellite data, but it was not accurate. It was not of a good quality. So this was the main concern for them. We thought of let's bring them all together on the same singular platform with additional features and uh, services to them. So these are the four segments of customers and even the people who are having the concerns for the data acquisition and processing, where the some NGOs who works in the climate related sector, as well as we even talked with the French Minister of Ecology, so they gave us some concerns, and then other two are the research and development and private organizations who also has similar concerns. So as you see in this picture, the our web application has multiple features addition to just not a collaborative platform, but giving more additional features, such as we can uh, do the machine learning and model the data for the classification and prediction depending on the customer choices and customers requirements. So what we did further research is we started doing the market validation. So we found out that there are 1200 to 1250 uh, companies just in France who work in the environmental related sector. So out of that, we've also found out that there are 12 top companies who are uh, master in earth observation, acquisition and processing of the data. So we are trying to collaborate them and make a partnership with them, so to they will be our key partners. And during this research also, we found out that the French market is booming up now in the area of earth observation, which has come up to the 7 billion by 2015, and it has a growth rate of almost 15% annually. So it's a really promising market. So what we are really actually going to offer is that we are, as I said, it's a multi-purpose collaborative platform for global climate data analysis. It's a web application having additional features. So what it will have exactly? So it will have the access to huge library on Earth observation, mainly imagery data, as well as it will be having it's accurate, and it will be fast because it's a cloud-based and open architecture web application. So consumers can use it for their own unique applications. The data they can process and get the access. So as I was saying, it's very fast and it's open architecture, so it will be always up to date to its limits, and as from the company point of view, we will be able to provide continuous customer support to the our customers. So how it will work? It's a very small flow for the customers. Is that customer comes to this website, and then he will scroll through the data and filter out what he exactly needs the data, and he will he will prepare for his checklist. Oh, these are my different data sets I want to access and get more services. He will verify it. He will talk with us, and then he is eligible to download the data and by paying and and after processing the data. So how it will exactly look like? So this is just a demo what we want to show. So it will be a web platform to start with, and then this is just an example. What we're trying to show is you just go to some information. If you want to access the data and download the data, you click on that, you some exactly which kind of data you want to download. You get all the data in front of you, you choose it, you select it, and then you can click what kind of format you want to download. So the different formats are available, so you just choose it, you can then verify, and you can download it. And obviously you can will have the customer service.